All right, we're going to be working with polynomials. So this first example is we're going to do long division of these two polynomials. So here's a quadratic polynomial that's going to go underneath the division symbol. Dividing by a linear polynomial. And now we're going to do long division. So we're going to try and divide this x into x squared. So I'm going to go off to the side so I don't have to do it in my head. Right, what is x squared divided by x, which is x? So that x is going to go up on top. Now, when you have that x on top, it's going to multiply to both of the terms. So x times x is x squared, and then x times 9 is 9x. Where students are going to make a mistake, which is the most popular one, is in this next step right here. Put a line, and what you're going to do is you're going to subtract all the way through here, and that's going to change those signs. So now we're going to go ahead and simplify what's underneath. X squared minus x is 0x squared. So you really don't need that 0x squared there. Then you have 14x minus 9x, which is 5x. Now you have two terms sitting out in front, so that means you need to have two terms in the next step. So I have to bring down the next term, plus 45. Now we repeat the process again. We're going to take x and divide it into 5x, or what is 5x divided by x? 5x divided by x is 5. So we're going to go ahead and put a plus 5. All right, repeat the process. We're going to multiply 5 times x, which is 5x, 5 times 9, which is positive 45. Put a line underneath it. Here's that mistake that students make. They forget to subtract all the way through. Now 5x minus 5x is 0. 45 minus 45 is 0. So this is your remainder, which there isn't one, it's 0. So this is your final answer. So x squared plus 14x plus 45 divided by x plus 9. So when I divide those two polynomials, what I'm left with is x plus 5. In this yellow box is the division algorithm. So you have your divisor, your quotient, and then your remainder. You can go ahead and pause and read that yellow box. Now, if when you do long division, let's say up in this first example, and your remainder equals 0, that's telling you it's factorable. So if I take and write the problem x squared plus 14x plus 45 divided by x plus 9, let's factor the numerator. The denominator does not factor. And now what happens? These cancel out, and we're left with x plus 5. All right, let's do another long division problem. So what's underneath is 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed. Now there's a little problem there. There isn't an x squared term, so we're going to go ahead and put a 0x squared, and then minus 7x, and then minus 10. And we're going to divide it by x squared minus 2x. All right, so we're going to go ahead and divide. We're going to take x squared and divide it into 2x to the 4th. So I'm just going to write this so I don't have to write it in my head. So what's 2x to the 4th divided by x squared? Well, that is 2x squared. So now I'm going to erase and erase. All right, now we're going to multiply what's in front. 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the fourth. 2x squared times negative 2x is negative 4x cubed. Put a line underneath it, subtract. I'm going to subtract and I'm changing those signs. The first set of terms cancel. The next set of terms combine to 7x cubed. Now we're going to bring down the next term and start the process all over again. So we say x squared divide into 7x cubed. So what is 7x cubed divided by x squared? Well, that's 7x. So 7x will go up on top of that division symbol. We're going to multiply 7x times x squared to give us 7x cubed. And then 7x times negative 2x is negative 14x squared. Line underneath it. Subtract, so you're changing those signs. And now 7x cubed minus 7x cubed is 0. 0x squared plus 14x squared is 14x squared. Bring down the next term and go again. So x squared divided into 14x squared is 14. Multiply 14 times x squared is 14x squared. 14 times negative 2x, negative 28x. Subtract all the way through. Simplify and bring down that last term. All right. We can't divide x squared into a smaller variable. So this will be our final answer. And that's how you do long division.